5S is a concept and a practice. 5S stands for 5 Japanese words: Seiri, Siton, Sisu, Siketsu, and Shitsuke. Sorting means getting rid of anything that is not needed. Separate out what you do not want. Setting in order means a place for everything and everything in its place. The third S, that is sweeping and shining. It might involve cleaning the floors, windows and walls. Standardizing mechanism. Standardizing, that means fourth S, involves developing mechanism to standardize 1S, 2S and 3S implementation for continuation. The fifth S is about sustaining, means make it a long-term practice. Don't make it a flavor of the month. When you are implementing 5S, remember to click photographs before you implement 5S and after you implement 5S. This will motivate the people, because when they see the difference before 5S and after 5S, they would also like to keep their workplace clean.